Dito na kami sa domestic, guys. And then, alam niyo ba, kinalkal ko yung bag ko kanina. Wala yung camera. Oh my God. I left it on the plane. Raika? Raika? Busy na siya sa ano. That's a big one. Yan, naiwan ko yung camera ko, guys. So, kailangan kong i-report yun sa Adelaide. Pagdating namin ng Adelaide, kailangan kong i-report sa Lost and Found. And hopefully, makuha ko naman siya. Ayan. Tinawagan ko na, ni-report ko na kaagad, guys. Hindi sila sumagot, so nag-iwan lang ako ng voicemail. But, yeah, sana ma-retrieve siya, no? Shit. Sana ma-retrieve talaga. Pili ko naman, may iwan naman nila yun sa Lost and Found nila. Iwan naman siguro magnanako. You guys, we're back home. Nakaligo na ang lahat. And buti na lang may natira din akong unopened na wrap and ham and cheese.
Mommy, why did the queen?
I know. So we're having ham and cheese quesadilla, guys. Hindi ko alam anong oras na. Well, nakauwi kami ng mga 12:30. Baka launa na. Yung mamaya na ako mag-unpack kasi mag-grocery pa ako. So, kinlean up ko na yung aking fridge.
You sure you left the camera? Maybe you put the camera in one of the bags.
Huh? No, I only put my camera in my bag, so I'll double check the other bags. Ayan. You guys, we're just chilling. Hindi pa ako nag-unpack. I mean, yung sa kids pa lang. Yung carry-on pa lang. Pero yung luggage, hindi pa. Si Harley nakatulog ko. Si Ben lumabas kasi may isa-send siya sa mail. So, sabi ko mag-grocery na rin siya yung fresh. Yung mga prutas. And then, nag-order na lang ako online para pa-deliver ng grocery. Para bukas. Kasi pagod ko siya. Ang pagod ko din. Ako sana'y mag-grocery kasi sabi ko. Online na lang ako mag-grocery. And siya na lang sa fresh and sa milk and bread. Pagod na rin yung si Raika. Raika, Daddy bought you a present.
Happy birthday! You want to come here and have a look at your presents?
Binilan talaga siya ni Daddy niya.
Look, Daddy did lots of shopping. The first one, this one is so that you help Daddy. Okay, I need a helper.
Ito yung regalo sa kanya ni Auntie Jackie niya ng Pasko.
Okay, so we've got batteries. We've got batteries to try and fix this.
Oh
and this is a blower. When so Daddy blows the leaves, you're going to help me. Wow. It's a blower.
Oh, you gotta help Dada.
So that's to help Daddy. Okay, the next one. Oh, see, it goes like this. Look. I'll probably smash it. This one. Oh, he's going to like this one. He's going to like this one.
What is that?
It's an electronic excavator.
Oh my
It's a remote control. Oh, he's on to the next one. And then this one. I'm going to teach you to play baseball. It's because you're so athletic. That's it. Sorry. They're all cheap toys. I love you, Rocket. Oh, finish. Sorry. Okay, let's try and fix this one. This is the main one.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
That's his first Lightning McQueen na racetrack na pwede sila mag-race si Daddy niya.
It better work though.
Hey, you!
Is the aircon still on?
Yeah, it's hot,
Doesn't
isn't it?
feel like it, does it?
Yeah, Harley's sweating. I had a quick sleep.
Where's... Oh, yeah, that is.
Wow, look at that, guys. That's amazing, Raika. Who's winning?
Yay, win! This right is the queen.
Lightning McQueen. Who's the other one?
This right is the queen right.
I know. Who's the other character?
This is the white biscuit cake.
Ate's gonna love that one too. You gotta share that to Ate, okay? Share to Ate.
Yes,
I know.
that's mine.
I know, but you gotta share to Ate. Good afternoon, you guys. Dito tayo nag-open ng vlog kasi late din naman kami nagising ng mga bata. Hindi sila pumasok today. Bukas ko na lang sila papapasukin. Kasi Tuesday, meron swimming si Harley. So, I don't think she's a bit still too tired for that. So, nag-chill lang kami today. Nagpa-deliver din pala ako ng grocery. Hindi ako pumunta kahapon. Yung pinabili ko lang kay Ben kahapon is yung mga prutas. So, ito yung mga mabibigat. Pinadeliver ko na lang. So, anyway, tinapos ko lang yung mga gawain kong bahay. And, tawagan ko yung lahat ng kailangan kong tawagan kasi yung mga speech and OT provider ni Harley, yung sports ni Riker. So, yeah, lahat na-book ko na this morning. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, dentist. Kasi yung mga bata hindi nakapag-dentist last year ng December or November ba yan? Yeah, so it's a busy morning. So, ngayon lang ako kaya ngayon lang tayo nakapag-start. So, anyway, i-hold ko saglit tong ating grocery. So, pwede ka palang magpa-deliver ng grocery dito online. So, I go through calls nga. Sometimes Woolies, pero yeah, mainly calls. I-deliver ko lang kasi pagod ako kahapon. And na-stress ako sa aking camera. Tinawagan ko rin sila kahapon. Di pa rin sila sumasagot. And so, yeah, tinawagan ko ulit today. Nag-leave ulit ako ng message. So, hopefully, kulitin ko sila ng kulitin hanggang sa tawagan nila ako. Anyway, I got chicken, guys. Rice, garlic, lemon, OJ. Ang cute ng bags nila kapag delivered. Maliit lang. So I got some wraps. Half a loaf ng bread kasi hindi naman kami nakakaubos ng buo. Onions. And then I got some paste. Hollies. Oh, ayan. So, ito, titry ko na to sa kanila, yung tub, kasi since kumakain na sila ng maraming yogurt. Pero bumili pa rin naman ako ng mga ganitong pouch. But yeah, I'll try them with this. Memorize ko naman na yung recorded. Maganda doon kasi yung mga pinag-shopping mo, every time na pupunta ka, kapag punta ka online, nandun pa rin. So, pwede mo lang siyang i-restock like yung mga usual kong binibili. So, alam ko naman na yung mga usual kong binibili. Mga pambaon lang. So, very convenient din talaga yung mga okay, yung pa-deliver ng grocery. I think meron din namang same day kapag maaga ka nag-order. Pero kahapon kasi, hapon na ako nag-order. So, pero morning pa rin siya nag-deliver, diba? So, okay pa din. Oh, here. Try ka, here you go. Pero lalabas pa rin kami today kasi we gotta pick up Rio. Pero message ko na lang yung kaibigan ko kung available ba siya. So, baka bukas na lang kapag na-drop ko sila sa school. Anyway, I got some lamb quarter chops. Pork quarter. Wala kasi yung usual ko binibili yung maliliit. So, maramihan to. Baka ipack ko to. Kasi kaming dalawa na lang naman ni Ben. I got some ham. Ito yung binibili kong ham kasi long-lasting siya. Please?
Please?
Here.
I can cut.
Baka ito na lang ilalagay ko. Yung pouch, bibili pa rin ako kasi ito yung nilalagay ko sa lunchbox. And then I got some steak. Ito lang yung binibili kong steak, guys. Hindi ako bumibili sa butcher kasi yung problema sa butcher, masyado siyang makapal. And gusto ko yung manipis lang na steak. Bili ako ng mince for bolognese. means beef. Ano yan? Mix siya. Pork and beef. Pang pasta. And then some nuts. Penne pasta. Dressing. Salad dressing. Mi goreng. Nagustuhan ko to. Bili pa ako ng mga bath wash ng kids. 2. Ayan, then bumili ako ng pamalamig. Hindi ko nasasabihin kasi nandito sila sa harap ko. Ayan. Ito kay Ben kasi alam niya naman siya, lactose free. And some chips. And sweet potato. Mga chips lang ito, guys. Ito, sweet potato. Ayan. Yun lang. Yeah, yun lang naman yung mga pinamili ko. So, ito, pang ano lang namin to, 1 linggo, guys. Yung prutas, di man nga umaabot ng 1 linggo. Sa kagulay. Pero yung lamb ko ngayon, parang pang ilang dinner to. Ay, parang 3. Kasi ano siya, 6 siya. So, very good.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it.
Lunch na kami, guys.
So yummy.
Is it? That's good.
Dinner, ice cream.
This is lunch.
Lunch.
And?
Ice cream.
Okay. As long as you finish it, you can have
Mommy
it.
want purple ice cream.
Oh, you have the purple na mayroon na siyang
Mommy
preference.
want strawberries ice cream. I eat yellow one in the purple ice cream.
Oh, it's hot, ate. Should a fly? Oh no, there's a fly na inside the house. Hey?
Oh no, mine.
Oh my.
Mommy, it didn't want you to fly.
I know. You better eat your lunch. Or else the fly will eat it.
Who eat it?
Go eat it now. Nanonood kami, guys, ng Rio. Because we're gonna pick up Rio later. Yeah? He's back in nappies, oh. Kasi yung number 2 niya, wala pa din. Yung number, nagsawa ko kahugas ng undies, guys. So, nilagay ko muna siya dyan. Ilang piraso lang naman natira. Anyway.
Nappy.
I know, right? Why? I wonder why. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Morning, ate. Ano kasi ate, oh. Gagigising ko lang sa kanila. It's only 7:30, guys. Gamit ko yung G7X ko. Yes, wala pa din yung ating camera.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Guys, bahay na ako. Wala, hindi pa rin sumasagot yun sa camera ko, guys. Nakakaloka. Mamaya tatawagan ko na lang yung customer service na nila mismo, hindi na yung lost and found. Kasi kapag dun sa lost and found, dumadiretso lang sa voicemail. Walang gana. But anyway, first day ng kids sa school, back to school. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog dahil wala tayong camera and pinicturean ko sila kanina. So, gamit ko yung phone ko. And low bat to. And hindi na ako nakapunta sa taas. Kaloka. So, insert ko na dito yung photo nila and then may clips ako from dropping them off. Oh, look! Thursday! Riker School.
Oh, what a many babies.
So many babies. Oh, are you excited? Yeah? Bahali was so happy. Back to school. May ano lang so, and then punta lang ako saglit sa mall din kasi bumili ako ng aking drying rack. Kasi kalawang na yung old one ko. So, nakabago. Magsaing na ako kasi I'm gonna have lamb for lunch. Gutom na. Pero nagmarinate na ako kahapon ng pang-adobo namin kasi yun sana yung dinner namin kagabi, kaso nagdala si Ben ng sombreros. So, hindi ko siya naluto. Mamaya na lang. Ay, nakakainis. So, 2 vlog lang yung na-transfer ko sa phone ko, guys. Yung Boracay namin nung January 24 and 25. And then after naman, wala na. Hindi ko na-transfer. Nag-lock talaga. Sana naman may mabait na nag-review noon and nilagay sa lost and found. Ano? First time ko makawala ng gamit. Si Ben nakawala na before ng iPad mini. Pero 1 week niya bago niya na-realize na nawala. So wala na talaga yun. At least yun sa akin, same day naman. So pero wala talagang tumatawag eh. Alam mo yun? Dapat kung nahanap na nila, nilalagay na nila sa lost and found, tumawag na sila kaagad. So ano. Kahit yung memory card na lang eh, huwag na yung camera. Yung clips na lang. Nakakala. Yummers na. Ay!
Good.
Okay. I didn't put potato na. So you didn't pay at all on that one? Yan, kain tayo guys. Kain na si Tisoy. Nakulang sa adobo. Okay.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Good, Riker. Stop. Go. Good job. Who's winning? Go. Stop.
Riker winning!
Is Riker winning?
Lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
Good morning. Pancake yung almusal nila. Nasunog lang konti yung kay Riker. Ate is upset this morning. I don't know why. It's alright now though. Anyway, kapit tayo guys. Kumuha ako ng vanilla latte. Hi guys. We're having breakfast.
Oh, we are adding pancakes. Mommy, good morning.
Morning. It's your pancake, guys.
Ay, nga.
What's that?
Lava. Cake. A cut.
Okay. You guys, dito pala kami ni Riker sa Harbor Town. Di ba walang tao? Why? Bibilan lang namin si Harley ng school shoes. You want to go playground? Okay. Yan si Riker, guys. Good job. Another one? Another side. Dito ko bili ng shoes. Dito ko bumili last time ng school shoes niya eh. Go, Riker! Ayan, bahay na kami ni Riker, guys. Mamaya, sunduin namin na maaga si Harley kasi meron siyang therapy. Kain lang ng prutas to. Ako magluto ako ng mee goreng. Nagutom na ako eh kasi alas 11 na ba? Mag-alas 11 na, guys. You guys, we're up to pick up Harley kasi meron kaming therapy and bago na pala both ang kanyang occupational and speech therapy, guys, kasi nga hindi na naka-maternity leave pa rin yung old niya. And
Mommy,
yes?
want the strawberry.
Ba't tumidilim to? I need to fix it.
Want strawberries chocolate.
You want strawberry chocolate. But anyway, yeah, bago na yung provider niya. So, at least mas malapit dito sa amin. Yung speech niya, yung speech therapist niya niyan is same sa kanyang 2 classmates. I mean, 1 na lang pala si Chali. Yung friend ko pala yung same kami ng Pero lumipat na sila ng school. So, isang kaklase na lang ni Harley. Same sila ng speech. So, ayan. First time niya makita yung bago niyang therapist. So, magkakwento-kwentuhan muna niyan. Update muna. Anyway, let's go, guys. Ayan, dito na kami sa therapy ni ate. We're just waiting. Tinalahan ko rin pala siya ng change of clothes kasi ang init, guys. Ayan, bahay na kami, guys. Alas 4 na pala and si Riker nakatulog on the way home. Si ate. Lianda lang siya and watching TV. Ito pala yung nabili kong shoes sa kanya, mamaya ipa-try ko. Para kung di ka siya, ibalik natin. Magluluto na ako niyan. Magluto ko pasta and chicken for dinner. Yung ko natira kong marinated na chicken. Tingnan natin kung naubos na yung kanyang baon, guys. Hindi ko alam bakit ito nag-i-eat. Nag-dark. Ayan, itry ko sa auto. Ayan. Itry natin sa auto kung dumidilim pa yun siya. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung naubos na yung kanyang baon. Bukas in-orderan ko pala siya kasi it's pizza day tomorrow. Okay. Wala dito yun. So, hindi ko na siya babaunan bukas. Baunan ko na. So, yung babaan ko na lang sa kanya bukas is yung fruit and recess niya. Nung naubos niya yung morning fruits niya. Nakaka-relax yung pinapanood niya. Yung nagbe-bake, yung mini kitchen. Oh, naubos niya. Recess. So, ubos ang recess and yung kanyang morning fruits. And lunch. Hindi niya kinain yung yogurt niya, guys. Pero ubos. Ayan. Pero yung yogurt lang yung natira. Bawal na to niyan kasi hindi na to malamig. Pwede pa ba ito? Hindi na bawal. Kasi hindi na kasi siya malamig eh. Baka masira na yung tiyan mo. Anyway, nakapag-edit ako kanina. And yun yung last vlog natin for the Philippines, guys. Dahil wala pa rin tayong balita sa camera ko. So, after niya na-upload ko today, back to updated vlog. So, Australia na tayo, guys. Kaloka, diba? Ayan, patry natin kay Harley yung shoes niya. Dati kasi Skechers yung binili ko last year. So, this one, itong ibang brand naman. Mas leathery type siya. Ayan. Size 13 to. So, I'm not sure kung malaki sa kanya. Si Riker tulog pa, oh. 4:30 na. Ate, can you put your socks on? Thanks. Pero hindi naman. Ganun ko form.
Hey. So yummy. Let me eat. No. Hey up first. Here you are. Thank you.
She did really good on her first session with her new OT. Babae yung OT niya. Babae ulit.
What's up?
Grape is the sweetest.
No, how can grape can be as sweet as me?
Name all one. Blueberry is the sweetest in this whole wide world.
Combined together, it will be great.
May allowance pa dun. Oh, malaki pa. Can you stand up, baby?
Go on, Pippi.
Ganda na. Pero medyo malaki pa nga siya. Ayan. Ayan na. Ganyan pa yung space niya. What do you think, Holly? Okay lang yan siguro. Pag ito yung settings niya, nagzo-zoom siya.
Your skin is a bit rough. Try applying a skin mask to soften it.
Ayaw niya na nagpapatulong. Gusto niya siya lang zoom.
I like it.
It looks reasonable to you.
Is it alright? Okay, you're okay. You're good.
Then I've made a rainbow cake and hope it stops raining.
Bahay na si Ben, guys. Pagod na yan. You must be really tired, hey? What time did you left this morning? Yeah, no. Aga niya kanina. So, because you have to be there at 7, no?
Yeah, if you had a big delivery.
Uy, my God, nagluluto na ako. Alas 5 na. Tulog pa rin si Riker. Kamusta naman yan mamaya? Riker, Flynn! Kailangan na ito gisingin kasi wala. Nakupuyat ito mamaya. Oh, he has a sports day tomorrow. Baba! Oh, wake up. Good afternoon. Oh, you had a good nap, my love. Sorry, I have to wake you up because it's already 5 o'clock and Daddy's home. Daddy's home, baby. You wanna hug?
No.
Okay. Normally, grumpy yan kapag nagigising. Sorry, my love. Mommy's cooking dinner now. Okay. Grumpy yan kapag nagigising eh. From the nap. Ayan na. Oh, Rio's back in his cage. Rio's back, guys. So Ben picked him up last night. Ay, sorry. Okay.
Can I hold you? But I love you. I love you. I want a hug. Daddy hug. Jordy's cute when he wakes up. So what we going to see Grandma on Sunday?
Right there.
Ayan, dinner tayo, guys. Meron pa kaming chicken. Yung ano yan. Napili ko sa post na nakamarinate na. Kain tayo. Yung customer ko naghihintay na. You guys. Mag-walking kami. May tayong walking sunset walk. Ayan. Ito kami sa Brighton. Ay, Somerton Park. Mga nakamedyas pa. Ha? Brighton straight ahead, guys. Look at that. Okay. The sunset. Ano talaga nag-walking. Ang ganda ng bahay. Kakatapos pa lang. Hindi pa tapos nga yun. Wonder. Oh, how cute. Tignan mo, inout niya yung hands ni ate niya. Raika. Kayo na pa sila tao ng tao sa car eh. Mamaya mag-aaway na yan. Ang ganda ng beach, guys. Sabihin nyo kapag shaky yung ating ano ha. videos. Oh, oh. Nakaka-relax talaga pakinggan yung dagat. What happened to your shoes? Ano na yung nangyari sa shoes niya? It's okay. So, walk by the beach lang tayo tonight. And, alas 8 na nga. Mag-alas 8 na, guys. Alas 8 na. Ang ganda ng sunset, guys. And si Ben and Ham. Babe, do you wanna sit there? Ha? Punta tayo dito sa playground. Ay, nako. Ito lang sa sunset eh. Ayun. And that's a nice sunset, you guys. With that tree. Ano siya?
Look at the racket.
Good job! You can do it.
Be careful.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Look at his lights.
Pardon?
Raka, where's the moon?
Help,
Help.
Daddy.
Help na siya.
Okay, so. Whoa. Going in the road.
Tignan niyo si Harley, guys. Mahilig na siya mag-akyat-akyat eh. Meron silang pa-ninja warrior dito. Ayan.
Mommy, help.
Oh,
Help. Help.
please?
Please.
May basketball din sila dito. Basketball court. Ikaw na talaga nagsisigaw dyan, Harley. And may tennis court. And may volleyball court. Ayun, volleyball. Diba? Oh, this one's free. Because some tennis courts are gated. So, ito. Public court nga siya. Nakalagay. So, this one is a public one, no? It's not gated.
Cool to bring tennis back and ball next time.
Yeah, that's nice.
Kids
So,
would love it. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Love. Bit of running around, get your heart rate up. While you look at that, play tennis.
well, look at that with the view. I pretend. Okay, go, Rika! Go! Go! Another one! Mommy's gonna cheer. That's my son! Go, Rika! Go! 2-point shot. Oh, a 3-point shot. Oh, wow.
3-pointer.
3-pointer daw siya. Okay, go, Rika!
Bounce,
Bounce, bounce, and... Oh, kita nyo yun?